In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job at Zoho. Whether you're a fresh graduate or looking to make a career change, Zoho offers a variety of opportunities to suit different skill sets and career paths. Let's walk through the steps together to help you apply for a position at Zoho quickly and efficiently. First, head on over to Zoho's official website, which you can easily find by entering zoho.com in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you have two options to move forward. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to create an account. This involves filling in your basic information, just like you would on any other registration page. However, if you already have an account, simply sign in with your existing credentials to proceed. Now that you're signed in, scroll down to the very bottom of the homepage. There, nestled among several other links, is the one you're looking for: Careers. Click on it and welcome to Zoho's careers page, where all the open roles and exciting job opportunities are waiting for you. On the careers page, you'll want to click the button that says View Open Roles. This is your gateway to explore various job listings suited to your expertise and interests. Browse through the available positions, keeping in mind your skills and career objectives. When you find a role that catches your eye, click on the job post to read more about the responsibilities, qualifications, and perks. Now, if you are interested in pursuing this job opportunity, look for the button labelled I'm interested and give it a click. This leads you to the application form where you'll need to fill in all the required details. Typically, this includes your personal and professional information, a resume upload, and possibly answers to some preliminary questions about your skills and experiences. After ensuring that all the information provided is accurate and complete, the next step is to submit your application. Look for the Submit Application button and click on it. This will officially send your application to Zoho's recruitment team for review. If you prefer, you can also apply using Zoho's Easy Apply option, which is handy if you already have a Zoho account. Alternatively, Zoho also offers the option to apply using your Indeed account, making the process seamless and integrating your previous records from Indeed directly into the application process. And there you have it, a straightforward path to applying for a job at Zoho. Remember, crafting a tailored resume and personalized application could significantly enhance your chances of standing out. Good luck with your application, and here's to hoping you land your dream job at Zoho. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to follow for more helpful guides and tips.